Hi, Deanna here with Jade Advisors, and I wanted to give a little more insight into extension and quarterly estimated payments. What is the difference between an extension payment and a quarterly estimated payment? Let's start with what estimated payments are. Estimated payments are made on a quarterly basis and are usually for small business owners, freelancers, and independent contractors. These professions usually don't have taxes automatically withheld from their paychecks like a regular W-2 employee would. In order to keep up with their taxes, quarterly payments are encouraged to be made throughout the year. Quarterly estimated payments made in April, June, and September of 2022 and January of 2023 all apply to your 2022 tax returns. It is important to let Jade Advisors know if you've made these payments as they do impact your tax return. So what is an extension payment then? Filing for an extension is not a negative thing. It does not increase your risk of being audited, nor does the IRS flag your account for being a bad citizen. It purely gives you and your accounting team more time to properly complete your tax return. Returns are extended for a couple of reasons. The most common reason is because another tax return impacts your personal return, like a business, partnership, or trust return. These returns have to be completed first so that the data can be included on the associated individual tax return. 2, you're a new client of Jade Advisors and our team needs more time to get to know you in your specific tax situation. Or 3, you prefer to have additional time to organize, gather, and provide your tax documents and information. Even though filing an extension allows additional time to file your return, it does not give you extra time to make a tax payment. The IRS still expects to receive some, if not all, of your anticipated taxes due on April 15th. Making an extension payment can help reduce late fees or penalties for not paying on time. What can I say? They like their money. You're probably wondering, how do you make either an extension or an estimated payment? There are a couple ways to make these payments. 1 is to mail in a voucher and a check, or 2, make a payment online. The first and least common method is to mail in a voucher with a check to the appropriate taxing authority. Completed vouchers can be provided by Jade Advisors, or a blank one can be found at irs.gov to be completed manually. Instructions on filling out the voucher and your check are provided with the extension form or quarterly estimate vouchers. Generally, you'll need to include your social security number, a phone number, and the form name on the check when mailing it. When mailing anything to a tax agency, we recommend including a certified mail receipt to ensure your payment is delivered. Please understand that our firm does not have the capability or access to check the status of payments being processed within the IRS or state taxing authority. The second method, and usually the most efficient, is to pay online. IRS payments can be made at irs.gov/payments. There you will have the option to pay directly from that page or to sign into your IRS account. When making a payment without an account, you'll be prompted to verify who you are by providing personal information and confirming data reported on a previously filed tax return. We encourage clients to have an IRS account for ease of use and access to filing and payment history. Most, if not all, states have the capability to accept payments online. Visit your state's tax authority website for specific online payment information. Be sure when making a payment online, you are following the prompts carefully. Many times we find that clients make estimated quarterly payments and select the wrong year or quarter to which it should be applied to. Making such mistakes are reversible, but the process is a headache and generally triggers a notice. If such an error occurs, we let clients know that it generally gets sorted out with the filing of that year's tax return. If you have any questions related to your own personal tax strategy or calculating your extension payment, please do not hesitate to reach out to Jade Advisors. Again, this is Deanna with Jade Advisors, your tax smart financial strategies team.